Doo-doo-doo. Hola! Very excited for my doTERRA order that has come in from 8 months already from New York, finally, to Costa Rica. So I'm going to open them one by one. So excited to see like even what I forgot I ordered from 8 months ago. So let's see. So why am I excited? Because doTERRA is extremely important in my life. As I use doTERRA product, I have been using doTERRA products for the last 7 years. Most of you know that. And they are essential in my lifestyle. So I'm so excited. I'm trying to keep it in to open box by box and see almost like a semi-surprise what I have ordered. And as I'm going to be naturally opening, ooh, I'm going to tell you why maybe I am ordering that. So what comes, the On Guard whitening toothpaste. We all use it. We have been out of it for probably 2 months because, as you know, I moved to Costa Rica and we're from New York. We couldn't get our shipping here. So now we did find how to bring it here. So why do my family and I use doTERRA's toothpaste? Because the main reason is there's no fluoride in it, and that's extremely important for the health, as fluoride dumbs you down, and we are not really educated that fluoride is not good for you. And I have been out of doTERRA's toothpaste for a few months now, so we did find some here that was natural without fluoride, but I'm very excited to have my stash, right? So I'm loving taking the time to actually show you what Isabelle likes in why do I use doTERRA and in what section of my life, because we have it in the bathroom, in the bedroom, in the kitchen, for ingestion, for topical. So this is exciting because you see the real life lifestyle. So the next item, deodorant. We all use the deodorant in my family, like my husband, my son, and I. And there are different types, and I hope I ordered the 2 or 3 types. They have been like reinventing a few the last years. So I will open it so you get to see me smell it. It's the balance. We have the same blend in the oils. I wouldn't fake it anyways. So why? The main reason is that we use doTERRA. Of course, it smells good, but it's not just about the smell with doTERRA. The product works, and what is the ingredients that we don't want to find is aluminum. So there's none of that. And this one is the doTERRA Balance. And some of the ingredients in it is blue tansy, chamomile, frankincense. So it really works. It's good for women and men also. My son loves it, so I highly recommend it. So let's continue in the bathroom experience. One of my favorites, and I think my son and my husband love it also. The spa experience is the soap, the gel. It's an amazing aromatic experience. There's no fillers, so it's all natural, and it smells good. It's good for male and female because there's cedar wood, there's bergamot, and also grapefruit. So it's kind of citrus. Love it. It's kind of a treat. Have a second one. Continuing the bathroom experience, the body scrub. That I actually like try to keep it for myself because it says it's an exfoliation, but after you finish, you feel like you had a massage, you feel moisturized, you don't need to put another cream on top, so it's like wonderful. I'm so excited. I haven't had that like for a month. There's wild orange, citrus, grapefruit, ginger. That's right. You can almost like taste it. You don't eat it, but so 1, 2, 3, and 4. I had forgotten that. I guess every month I was like ordering, so I'm so excited to have my stash. Still bathroom. All right, foaming hand wash. That has been what would be the word in English? In high demand in doTERRA because of COVID and the lockdown, and people were looking for healthy hand wash, right? So I wanted to order a few every month, and we only were allowed to order one. So as I'm 8 months behind, hopefully I have a few. In this box I have 3, so I'm really excited. And again, always natural ingredients. My cleaning lady here would like to have some. She loves it. It smells super good. There's cinnamon in it. There's eucalyptus, rosemary. Those are the 3 big ingredients that I remember. So very excited about that. Stash of hand wash. All right, so next item is HD Clear. It's a beautiful foaming face wash, which my son uses and loves. It clears out the skin beautifully. He's 17 years old. It's hot here. There's like black cumin in it. There's peppermint. There's eucalyptus, just to name you a few oils that are used in it. So natural again, efficient. Goes in the bathroom, right? Next item is root to tip serum. I use it for my hair. I love the experience. Take it out just to show you. It's a little pump. So when I get out of the shower, after I use the shampoo and conditioner, I put 2-3 pumps, and then I put the serum in my hand, and I really put it at the tip of my scalp and then all over my hair. It really gives a nice smell. It's refreshing, and I like what it does. It's soft also for the hair, so it's a nice way to massage your scalp, basically. Little massage every morning. So the next oil is lavender pure. This is with fractionated coconut oil. I mainly use it for the skin, for mosquito bites. Here in the rainy season, there's quite a few mosquitoes. So very practical. I always carry it in my purse, in the car. That's why I needed a few. And then the oil itself, lavender, it's good for when you burn yourself. You put that, it's perfect. We put it in the diffusers too. We mix it with other oils, and then we put it in the dryer on the balls so that it smells super good with the clothing. That's one scent that we all agree. The next oil is very important. On Guard is a protective blend, especially in these times when your immune system is a little low. And in the oil we have wild orange, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. Did I say clove also? Anyhow. And my husband, for example, he uses it on his floss, and every night he flosses with the On Guard. I find it a little too fiery, and we put it in the diffuser. It's a good blend. Past tense is mainly for headaches. The big ingredient in it is wintergreen. My son uses it pretty often. So next one is my favorite. I'm the only one using it pretty much. Is Passion. It's a roll-on, and it is for sensuality. So kind of stimulating, very So I had a total of 3 full boxes, 8 month or 9 month of back order. So this is the 3rd, because on the 2nd one there was a lot of products that were tripled and quadrupled. So here's the last one. No, look. So here are the shampoo and the conditioner that we use. Even though it was super heavy to ship, I really love them. And they last for a long time, as it's a 32-ounce bottles. Then, oh yes, my body mist. Amazing. It's a lightweight body mist. It's perfect for hydrating the skin, the face. I use it all the time. And here is the TERRA Shield that I was saving and kind of just being conservative. Now I have a bunch. People are asking for it. It's a natural bug spray repellent. And as I said earlier, we have mosquitoes like a lot of you have up north, even though we are in the tropics, especially in rainy season. And then I have my fractionated coconut oil that you use to dilute the essential oils. That is better to have some coconut oil on the skin with it so that it doesn't burn or that it feels more soothing. I often put it with the oil I choose to massage my body. So very excited with that. And the Deep Blue Rub, which I had a bunch here, but they were getting low. I'm glad I ordered one. It's for sore muscles, achy parts of the body. It really helps. And it smells super good. And also the On Guard spray, as we have been told to use sanitizing our hands lately. Well, we have natural products here. So it's a blend. We don't want to use how do we call it?
Regular hand sanitizer?
Yeah, that's alcohol. Right. We don't want to use the hand sanitizer because actually most of them are poisonous because there's a lot of bad ingredients in them, and it can actually give a lot of rashes. So we're gonna use it all the time, like the mainstream is like promoting. On Guard is really highly recommended. So I carry it in my purse also all the time. My favorites, I was going crazy because my probiotic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and I have 7. I had them in the other boxes. So I usually take 1 or 2 per day with the meal. So it aids the digestive system and rebalance and recalibrates the whole body. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if any of it resonates with you and you'd like to know more about how essential oils can support you in your healthy lifestyle, please do not hesitate to reach me, and I'll be super glad to give you a free consultation. And here are my contacts. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a blissful day.